What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Barber CVO in the building. We are getting ready to do some new upgrades to the bike. Gotta open these bad boys up, starting off with the hardware docking port. All right, so it's for the motorcycle here because we're about to put some new sissy bars on, and also a luggage rack. So sorry about the sweating. It's friggin' hot over here in Georgia. I'm in the garage with the doors open and it's still hot. So we're about to open this bad boy up. And then, like again, we gotta use the new rolling cart that we got here. Hold up. See this? Just roll right along. Make sure you check out the video for that and my previous videos. All right, so we're gonna open it up and then we're gonna see what we got. All right, so we got some screws here so you could load up the hardware. Very excellent quality, guys. I got this for, I think, $46. Oh, so that, the motion. So if you're not moving, it's gonna stay on. All right, so we got this for $46 on Amazon. Heavy, very durable, very heavy quality. Definitely recommend it. Looks awesome. At Harley, you're gonna be paying like about $150 for these, or any other company. But why spend all that money if it's the same thing? All they do is just put their logo on it. You know what I mean? So. Hardcore quality. So that, we're gonna insert it right on the bike right there. So stay tuned. All right, guys, I just installed the hardware docking hardware here from Amazon. Like I said, real cheap. Then I got the connected the Olens, how they're supposed to go. Come with the screws. See that? So this is where the sissy bar is gonna go and the luggage rack. It's gonna be a tight fit, as you can see. Tight fit, but we'll manage. Same thing on this side, nice and neat. All right, let's get the luggage rack. Let's do an open box on that also. All right, as you all know, I had before Siouxicide choppers, the luggage rack with the Punisher logo on it. So my bike is actually gonna be the Punisher. All right, there you have it, guys. That is the Punisher luggage rack. Check it out. I think it looks pretty cool. I've never seen it with the Olens. Looks actually really good, and it's a snug fit, guys. Snug fit. You gotta squeeze it in there because you gotta loosen the docking hardware, and then you can squeeze in the other ones. Fireworks are already starting. Look at that. All right, there you have it.